Okay, so there is the right spark plug replacement. Ta-da! Oh, for those who don't know, there it is. 3924. That is the correct spark plug for the engine that is in the John Deere STX 38 black deck. And it is a 5/8 inch deep socket that you need. So let's go see what we can do with that lawn tractor. There's your spark plug right there. And I've already taken out the old one. That's how I knew which one to get for the new one. 3924. Before I put that in, what I want to do, two things. First, I'm going to spray some starter fluid in there. Just to overcome the PB blaster that I filled that with. And I got some compressed air because I don't want to leave that full of explosive material. Oh, now it's going to rain. Oh, great. Ha! Yes, the universe does hate me. It's raining. Okay. Get in there, baby. I mean, it's really raining. Wow. This shouldn't take too long if this is going to work. Hand tight. And a little bit more. And get that tab back on there. I'm going to have to pull the camera out of the rain, and we'll go start it in the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Hey, how you doing there? Jump with the tractor. You said the motor that is on it now you had running?
Yeah.
Where'd you spray the starter fluid? Did you open up the air cleaner?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I just wanted to check with you. I thought maybe, make sure I did everything I could to try to get this thing running.
Had some kind of Chinese secret for it or something?
Yeah, you got one of them?
No, it was just the starter fluid. That was my Chinese secret right there.
Okay, actually, I got that open. Hang on a second. Let's see what happens here. Whoa, baby.
Sounded like it almost went.
Yeah. Huh.
Do you have the throttle up on it?
Yeah. that you got to push down to start it. When I release that, it stalls out. That's how I just stopped it now.
I mean, I didn't really have that issue with it, but...
Okay, well, if any bright ideas come to you tonight, give me a buzz. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot, kid.
Alright, no problem. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's really weird. As you can see, I got it started and running, but if I take the brake pedal off, it stops. As long as I hold that down, it runs, but if I take it off, it stops. So I've locked the brake pedal on. I'm going to let it run for a little bit. You can see it is blowing smoke. Let it run and see what happens. Well, I got it to run long enough to blow all the smoke out of there. Now I'm thinking maybe a clogged exhaust, possibly. But the interesting thing is it'll only stay running with full choke on. So something's still impeding it, but it sounded okay when it was running, but just then like it was choking. Wasn't getting enough gas afterwards. So, mystery, new mystery. God. Not a car guy. Yeah. Oh, I'll say one thing. The leaking has considerably slowed. Well, it's still leaking again. Okay. Well, it had slowed this morning because the water's so dirty it's kind of filling up the gaps. We'll see how it looks in a couple of days. I don't want to have to do anything to it if I don't have to. Well, I was planning on hauling these over on the back of my lawn tractor with my sled, but we'll have to go to the old dump barrow because the tractor ain't working. Oh. Okay, so 8 of them in there and 4 of them up there because I got to cut those with my wet saw, and that's easier to deal with out here. When you stack them, leave them offset a little bit so you can grab the next one easier. That's it. You heard it from Judd. So there is 8 of them. They're going to form the floor of this segment where I'm going to be moving all the storage stuff, the outdoor storage stuff. That is 18 inches deep as opposed to 2 feet, which these are. So I got to cut the other 4 in half, and that'll give me 18 inches all the way across there. So that's the plan. Oh, it's nice out. I want to hit the pool, but it's cold. It's 70 degrees now, which is warmer than yesterday, but I don't know, maybe I'll hit it anyway. As you can see, I haven't had my wet saw out for a while. The last time I used this was in Boston, doing a bathroom. So that's been stored in there for the last 20 years. Oh my God. We're gonna take that out and cut some block. Okay, so we got it cleaned up. I gotta take the blade guard off and also the blade guard support because I'm not cutting all the way through, so my brick wouldn't be able to get past there. I can't adjust the height on this blade. What I would like to do is cut halfway through from each side. Okay. I'm soaked clear through to the skin. I think I'm gonna go on the other side of this. that worked very well. Everything up. Oh my God, it's perfect. Woo! Good for me. Okay. Okay. There you go. Now I have 8 half bricks. That's ready for that project when I get to that project. Cutting with a wet saw. Now the cleanup. Look at this mud. Look at that. Concrete dust. Everything's wet. Looks like my car got a little bit of that spray. That was some powerful spray. Okay, I gotta move those blocks over with the other ones. Okay, and there we go. So the bricks are all ready for when I get around to it. And I changed the pump filter just in time because I finished up, and as I finished up it went on. It's on an automatic timer. And like I said, that looks inviting. Might be a nice sunset. There's that little baby. Oh dang, I forgot, I still gotta make my new patties. I'm out of patties. I gotta make new patties tonight. And a little different tonight. And I'm in the middle of cleaning up the whole counter thing there. I'm gonna take a swim and then I'll come in and cook. That sounds like a plan. Let's go cook.